guys, welcome back. So for the centerpiece, to secure it, I'm going to be using double-side tape, their command strip, to secure the top to the bottom as you see in that pic. Now to get started, I'm going to add a bunch of eucalyptus because I do want it to be nice and fluffy, just filled with greenery. So I normally just open them up to get that fullness and just add more greenery to it to my liking. Once I add all the greenery, I'm going to go ahead now, as you can see, and add these white dogwood. I did add 3 cabbage roses to the centerpiece as well. You won't see me adding that flower, but I did add 3 cabbage roses. So I'm speeding up the video. I'm adding all the dogwood. I just want some nice, just not too much white, but just to make sure that I'm still seeing a lot of the greenery. And I will list how many pieces that I used in the centerpiece. I'm just adding a piece of twig right now. And that was basically it. Now this is the base. As you can see, the command strip there, it's Velcro, and I'm just gonna add the top to this area, and it is very sturdy. Okay, so you could give it a try. It definitely will hold the centerpiece together. This is what it looks like. Now I went ahead and add some acrylic crystals to the flowers, as you see, I love the way it looks. There is the cabbage rose. I have 3 of those in there. This was pretty easy to make. It took me under 20 minutes. And the cost was about $30. It probably was a little less because of the flowers where I got them. Again, I will list them in the description box. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on that bell for notifications when I upload my videos. Thank you.